Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Paganelli and welcome back to another cooking video ahead of us. So today, I just came back from football and to be honest, I am really hungry. So we're going to make another amazing breakfast dish, sigla. So today we'll be making my recipe of pancakes, American pancakes. This is going to be so good and easy because this recipe is actually pretty easy. So for the ingredients, now the ingredients are 200 grams of sift flour, 200 milliliters of milk, 2 full eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 50 grams of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now I'm using self-raising flour. If you don't have self-raising flour, you can use plain flour with 16 grams of baking powder. Just add 16 grams of baking powder and mayonnaise. Now yes, I know mayonnaise on pancakes kind of weird, isn't it? But in fact, it actually makes the pancakes nice and moist and fluffy. So now let's make this amazing pancake. Okay, so obviously we start off with mixing the dry ingredients. So we have our self-raising flour. Boom. Sugar. I love sugar. And some salt. Boom. Give it a nice whisk. Okay, now let's start with the liquid ingredients. Now, I'm going to make a hole here. Well, I'm going to try and make a hole here. Okay. And add the 2 full eggs. Boop, boop. Like a wishing well. And half the milk, not all of it. Just about half. Give it 1 mix. Break down the yolk. Now this recipe is for about 6 to 8 pancakes. It depends how big you want to make it, but yeah, 6 to 8. So now I'm gonna add my beautiful golden melted butter. And mix. Okay, now we have our mayonnaise. Now all we need is ketchup and then we can go and get fries. I'm joking. Yeah, mayonnaise in. Whoops. Okay, yeah. And the final milk. Continue mixing. Okay, so our pancake mix is ready. Now let's prepare. So medium fire, 2 sprays of this. Now, if you do have a non-stick pan, you don't need to use this. That's good. Now, let's get our 1 scoop of this. Okay, when you see dry around and then bubbles, that's when you know you can flip them. I'm going to cover this to... And yeah, now we just wait. Okay, time to flip. Nice. Cover here, and now we wait. I'm going to get a plate ready actually. Just to put all our pancakes and then we can do the presentation. Okay, this one's done. The first pancake of the day. Done. Next one. Oh wait, spray actually, I forgot. next one. Okay, so this one's ready, and because it's the last one, I'm gonna try and flip it. I've always wanted to try and flip it. I've managed to get the tiny scrapes out of the batter, so we make one more pancake. So let's try and flip this one. This is really the last one. Yes, I did it. Let's go. I have my pancakes ready now. Time to plate. Okay, so I put some fruits there. Next pancake. The fruits give it nice height. That's what I like about it. Just a few. Okay, now just to finish it off, ice cream. There you go. Chocolate syrup. Oh. Now this is the way I'm plating it. You can plate it completely different. You can plate it however you want. But this is one. Next one is with the syrup. Okay, so now this one's with the syrup. So I'm gonna get some butter. And that butter is swimming away. Okay, taste test. Ice cream. Three. Get a little bit of ice cream as well. 3, 2, 1. Wow. That one, phenomenal. This is maple syrup. So yeah, this is maple syrup. Nice Canadian maple syrup. And this is vanilla ice cream. I think you already knew that. Yeah. God, both of them so good. You have to try this recipe. Fruits in between. But unfortunately, I have the end of video here. I hope you all love this video. I hope you all tried this recipe because this was just so easy and so delicious. Sorry. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, like button, and notification bell so you'll be the first person to watch my videos. And also go over to my Facebook page, yes, at Cooking and Loving. Go over there, check my in between the scenes, possibly, you know, a sneak peek or what next week's video is. But I hope you all love this video. Alla prossima. Ciao.